New unit alert, new unit alert. All right, so we got Evoque. They have their new dirt bike. Oh, there's a familiar face.
How are you, Jolene?
Oh, hello. Keith from Evoque.
Yes, so this is the Bandit 4,000 watt motor. So when we turn it on, it's got a couple different things that some of the other units don't have. So right up on our unit, obviously, it remains in park until you press the brake.
You gotta see them side by side. This is literally like your, right, you're comparing it more to the MX-5.
MX-5.
First ride of the
You
Bandit.
don't really have to have it checked.
Yeah.
Jay's our official dirt bike guy.
You're an XT, so
I love how much bigger it is.
It's a good size.
Yeah, it's an appropriate size. Oh, nice. Watch the dog. Good braking. Good braking. Yeah, you get him, Dasha.